Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and you know, shit happens outside of YouTube, life goes on, blah blah blah. I'll spare you the spiel like I do every time. But yes, I'm back. I thought it would be cool to do a makeup tutorial inspired by the one and only Aina, because Aina is just so fantabulous and she's just amazing. So we're gonna be doing that today. And I thought it'd be kind of cool to follow what she does because she does different techniques than I do. So yes, I put on this little head wrap because I did not feel like melting my lace today. So yeah, I'm being a little, little lazy right now. So yeah. So the video I will be referencing today is her drugstore makeup is coming for our next video. So I will try to put the video like down here, or I don't know how this works, but down like in this section so you guys can see like what she does. So if you guys want to see how this comes out, then please keep on watching. She is so comical.
Hi guys, welcome back to
oh my gosh, she is a whole vibe.
So I set my face first with a little bit of the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Face Mist.
Okay, so she's setting her face first with a setting mist, so I'm gonna do that too. Today I'm gonna be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray.
I always take translucent powder and I apply it with a damp sponge on top of my primer.
Okay, so now she's going to apply a primer and then use a setting powder on top of that to set her face, because we both have like oily combination skin, so sometimes stuff can slip off throughout the day. So I'm just going to apply my favorite primer. I'm using the Touch in Sol No Poreblem primer, and this is actually like my favorite primer because it's just so silky and it also blurs any pores and it just makes your face look amazing. For translucent powder, I'm taking this, what is this? Oh shit, what is this? For translucent powder, I'm taking this Ciate London translucent coconut setting powder. I recently just got this in a BoxyCharm and I am obsessed with it. So Jackie likes to take her sponge and apply it just in the areas where she gets oily, which is basically the T-zone.
Super Stay Stick Foundation from Maybelline. I actually have 3 of them that I picked out as ballpark colors, but I can literally use all 3 of them. I'm gonna take the...
She's going in with foundation. She's actually using a stick foundation. However, I ran out of my favorite stick foundation, which is the ColourPop No Filter foundation stick. So I'm just going to mix together 2 of my favorite foundations at this moment. I'm going to be using this Becca foundation. This is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And also this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. So next, she did just spray her face before she blended out her foundation, and I actually just accidentally used my powder brush to like brush against my face, but we're gonna ignore that. So I'm gonna use my Morphe setting spray, which she is also using in the video, and just give it a little spritz. So good.
I'm actually just gonna use that under my eye to correct first, and then I'll go over with ColourPop once I blend this out.
Oh, next she is color correcting. Okay. Something I don't usually do on a daily, but we're gonna do it today. I'm actually going to use this Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer because it is a little bit on the orangey side for me, but it's also close to my skin tone as well, so that kind of balances it out. And then she's putting her highlight concealer on top of that. Okay, all right. I'm gonna be using this Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer as my highlight shade.
Okay, so 370 from Maybelline Super Stay.
Next, she's going into contour. I'm going to be using this Loreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick. Pew, pew. So she uses her sponge to set her face with her powder as well. So that's what I'm gonna do.
This brand, it's a black-owned brand. The products are bomb, but the bronzers are what really got my attention.
Okay, so next she's moving on to bronzer to contour. And today I'm going to be using my favorite bronzer. It's the Covergirl Full Spectrum Bronzer, and this is in the shade FS120 Ebony Bronze.
I think we should take some of the banana powder and do some reverse contouring because I feel...
Okay, so now she is reverse contouring with that yellow powder. So let's do the same.
The Brow Ultra Slim Pencils from Maybelline. Don't know when these came out. Don't care. All I know is I have...
Alright, so now she's going in with the Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. And I just happen to have the exact same one because it is also one of my favorites because I feel like it's a really nice dupe to the Anastasia pencil, which I do own. And it's just like a nice drugstore alternative. And just like Jackie Aina says, like it's bomb. Get on it because it's bomb. Aw, so she doesn't conceal her brows.
Now we do want to lay a little something down here because we're going to use shadow.
Okay, so next she is using powder to highlight her nose and also put it underneath her under eyes. Shit, because I have very dry under eyes, so I'm very hesitant about this, but if Jackie Aina's doing it, then I'm doing it too, boo. So rest in peace to my under eyes because they're gonna be dry and crusty as hell. Okay, so next she's just going into her purple eyeshadow, and I'm just going to do something similar that she does. So yeah, so I'm just probably gonna just zoom you guys in and you can just watch me do the eyeshadow. I forgot to mention that she also primes with her concealer, so I'm gonna do that as well. And she doesn't set it, so that's good because I don't set it either. So let's go. Something similar with our eye looks. She did some nice purples and plums, and yeah, it's just amazing. I like this. I really like this. We both did cut creases. Yay. So next she throws on some lashes, and then she does her under eyes with these same crease colors. So I'm just gonna do that and be right back. So unfortunately, I lost the clip where I was doing my lips, but everything will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you would like to see next, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!